Hi and welcome to MRTV. We have yet another VR cover product to review. This is the Headstrap replacement for the Quest 2, and this is a soft strap. So this is my favorite strap. This is the Elite strap with battery. It's amazing. However, it does change the form factor quite a bit, right? So I did enjoy the original soft strap quite a bit, but this is even supposed to be better. So in this video, we're going to unbox it and we're going to check it out, and I'm going to let you know if I think it's worth it, the $24 asking price. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video because all of this goodness is coming up. Welcome back again here to MRTV. My name is Sebastian Ang, and this channel, as you know by now, is all about virtual reality. I'm bringing you independent XR reviews and you're getting the latest news. So if you're interested in virtual reality, then absolutely subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And now let's unbag the VR cover head strap for the Quest 2. And this is how the head strap from VR Cover arrives at your doorstep, the standard packaging. And let me get this out of here. And we have the manual, and I can tell you already, this is the first time that I actually used the manual for any VR cover product because, look at this, there's quite some parts that you have to bring together in the right way. So yeah, I did look at the manual quite a bit here. So what do you get here? You get this T-strap. This is the T-strap, the main strap, I would call it. And you got two other straps. And I found out later that you only need one of those straps, depending on your head size. And actually, I did have to look at the video manual. The great thing is there is a video manual, so then I knew what to do. So what you have to do, first of all, take the T-strap and attach it to those plastic things that you've already attached to the Quest, like this. Now bring that one part over and attach it with the Velcro, and now bring the other part over and also use the Velcro to attach it. Now take one of the single straps, the one that fits your head size. I use the bigger one because I have a bigger head, and put it through here. And now you can attach the T-strap to your Quest 2 just like that. And also attach it here using the Velcro. Now simply fit the single strap here by looping it around here and also on the other side, of course. And that's it. That's it. Now you have the head strap, the VR cover head strap, connected to your Quest 2, and that's how it looks like. Let's check it out together now. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and I've now adjusted it to perfectly fit my head already, and that's why I re-uploaded this video, because in the first video it looked like this would totally destroy my ears, but it's not true. So therefore I'm going to show it to you now, how it looks like, and yes, great. So this is it. As you can tell, my ears are totally fine here, no problem whatsoever, and it just feels way better than the original soft strap, right? Because now we have more balance. This absolutely helps to take more weight off the front here. It's not front heavy anymore. This is doing a great job now, and the whole thing is way more stable with these additional straps. So that is a huge win, and it's definitely, without a doubt, better than the original strap, and it feels great. Now, also, you still have your ears here. Yeah, they're not gone. So now you could use something like headphones, for example. Yeah, if you want. And it also works perfectly fine here with the head strap from VR Cover. So really, really nice, fantastic product. But now let me show you that when I play a game. And for this test, I chose Thrill of the Fight, an amazing game that I can absolutely recommend to you. And I chose this game because, well, there's lots of head movement here. And I can simply tell how well that head strap will hold the Quest 2 to my face. Also, what you can probably tell, you should not start a fist fight with me. I'm a martial artist since a small age, so this could end bad for you. But let's get back to the head strap here. The head strap feels great. It feels absolutely solid on your face. It feels way better than the original head strap. It's more stable and it's way more balanced. And I think that is the important part here. It takes the weight off your face. So in general, the Quest 2 is still a bit front heavy, a bit better than the Quest 1. And this is finally taking the weight off your face. So fantastic if you're looking for a better strap. This is the way to go. This is the one to go for. And for $24, you can do absolutely nothing wrong here. It's a big MRTV recommendation.
1, 2, 3.
So my great first impression has been confirmed after playing this. This is a winner. So this feels way better than the original strap simply because it feels more stable and more balanced. You can very nicely take the weight off your face because now this cradles not only here, like before, the back of your head, but really like this very low on your head. Right, so this is a fantastic solution, and for $24, you can do nothing wrong. If you liked the original strap, this is going to be better. And even for the people who like the Elite strap, if you want like a smaller package like this, now this you can more easily put into your backpack. This is a great solution. So, wow. I really like it, and I'm just now thinking, should I go back now to my Elite strap? I believe I will because I love the battery, you know? I love the battery on my Elite strap with battery, but this is a great solution. And yeah, for everyone who's looking for a great head strap for the Quest 2, this is it, and I can highly recommend it. The link down in the description of this video. Alright, that's it for this video. I really hope it was helpful and informative for you. If yes, you know what to do. Make noise for the algorithm. Give it a thumbs up and also do leave a comment down in the comment section. For example, what strap are you using for your Quest 2 and are you going to pick this one up? Do let me know. If you want more content from me, if you want to look behind the scenes here of the MRTV channel, then become a member of the MRTV Elite at mrtvelite.com. Only going to set you back $1 and you get so much more content, and it's pretty amazing. If you don't like Patreon, you can also simply click on the join button down below and become a channel member here on YouTube. All right, that's everything for this video. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button if you want more reviews just like this one here, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.